Hello everyone, welcome back for another video. So today we are applying a rim coating to the wheels of the Clio, and why we are doing it? Because there isn't care for the car in a 1.5 years and there is some baked brake dust on the rims, and I wanted to make the cleaning process a bit easier because my brother is a bit of a lazy ass and I want that the car looks clean all the time. So we are applying GYEON RIM, and I will show you guys my process and how I applied it. So let's go. First we start off with cleaning the rims and tires, of course. So I sprayed them with the bilberry wheel cleaner from Valet Pro, diluted 1:4. Then I cleaned the tires first to remove the tire dressing that was on there, and after that I moved on to the face of the wheels. I cleaned them with my brush to make sure I got all the little edges of the rim. Then I turned the wheels to the back to soak the barrel with the wheel cleaner because there was a lot of baked brake dust on there, and it was the first time in 5 years the barrel got cleaned when the wheels are off the car. You can see that there was a lot of dirt and brake dust that came out. So I repeated this process 3 or 4 times till I was happy and most of the brake dust was removed. Then the next step would be a iron remover to remove the iron and brake dust of the rims. And I used the new ironX with the improved smell, and actually I found it quite a difference. This one smells still bad, but a lot better than the old one. So I sprayed it on, and after I agitated it with my brush to spread and work it in all the tight gaps of the rim. When it reacts with iron it turns purple, so after the first pass I sprayed it on again and it turned purple again. So I repeated this process 3 or 4 times till the rim was clean and the product didn't turn purple again. So I was sure all the iron was removed. It was warm outside, so I had to keep an eye on the rims that it didn't dry on there, and I sprayed it off on time so there wasn't any problems. But it would be better to do in the shade, but I had no other choice, so that was it. I also sprayed the face of the wheel, and you can also see that there was a lot of reaction with the iron remover, so I let it sit for about 30 seconds, and after that I agitated it with my brush. Then I rinsed the wheels off, and you can see the amount of ironX coming out of the wheel, the red bleeding, as they say. But the face was clean after the first pass. Next step is cleaning the rims to get the last dirt out of the pores of the black painted rims. So I soaked the surface with diluted Echo from Carpro, and then I went over the surface with a piece of clay. I don't put pressure, but I just wipe really quickly because it is about friction. The clay can do its work when you do it like that, and so I do it for the whole wheel, also the face. Then I do a little inspection to feel at the edges to make sure all the surface is smooth. Next step is spraying the wheels with a razor to make sure all the fingerprints, oils and other stuff is removed to get the best bond with the GYEON RIM. So I did that 2 times. And then the final 2 steps are to put some GYEON RIM on the applicator and wipe it over the surface of the rims. For the tight sections I just used the glove and went with the applicator in the tight spots. My advice would be to do it in sections because the product bonds very quickly and gets very sticky, and especially when it is warmer outside, so the rims do it in sections so the product doesn't dry on the rim, because you will have a hard time getting it off. This product does only need to sit for 5 seconds and then you can take it off, so don't wait too long. Take a microfiber towel, a clean microfiber towel, and wipe it off and do the whole wheel like that. Always check your work that you removed all of the coating, otherwise you will end up with marks. You can also perfectly see where the coating is on the rims because it leaves a haze behind. That's how you can see where the coating is. So when you remove it, the haze will disappear, and so it is possible to see if all of the GYEON rim is removed of the rim. It is also possible to layer the product, but you need to leave 4 hours between the two applications. So this will be the end of the video. You can see the wheels are done now. They are fitted with a coat of GYEON rim. You can see immediately there is a lot more gloss to the wheel, but it will cure and then it will even be more glossy. A follow-up video of the GYEON rim will follow soon because of course the car isn't driven or won't be driven in the next couple of weeks. So when the car is driven a lot in the next coming month or two, I will make a follow-up video and show you the results and yeah, how good it works. But that will be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I see you guys on the next one. Ciao.